Hello everybody, Gary Millard here. Thanks for joining us and welcome back. Today's tutorial is going to be on a hollow text over an image. In this case, we're going to use the above image of a German Shepherd and the text, "He's got my back." It's a very simple step-by-step tutorial on how to do this just using Canva Pro. So there's a short intro coming up, and after that, we're going to get right to it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to add an image. In this case, I have the image of the German Shepherd with the background already removed. So you can use any image you want. It's helpful when you have the background removed already, and then when you upload it in here, it's just easier to manipulate. So you can change the size of this. Okay. So that looks pretty good to me. So what we're going to do is change the background then. Once we move this over, change the background to black. Okay, so now we have our start. First thing we're going to do then is hit the keyboard shortcut T for text. And we're going to come in here and select the Anton font. And to make it bigger, you can either hit the plus sign, or in this case, we're going to go at least 80. All right. So we're going to type the text, "He's got my back." All right. So with that done, we're going to do a couple things with this text. We're first going to align it all the way to the left so that it's all straight in a line that we can move this up and down. And then we're going to get rid of this spacing in between here so that we can see more of the image through once these are transparent. So you're going to do that by coming over here to line spacing and shrink it so that we have a little bit of space in between there. And that's the scoop. Look at that. So that's the start of our text. So here's the layout that we're looking at. The next step we're going to do is you right click on your text, you add a page. I don't know why it's black, but we're going to delete that background because we don't want that. So we're going to paste that text that we just made in here. And we know it's there, but we're going to come over here and throw another element in there. Now we can see it. All right. In this case, very, 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 very important is that you have a blank space all the way around your text, so that when we do the background remove, then it will remove the background behind that and the text. So without doing that, it's not going to work. So we're going to come back here and we're going to just make this background black behind the text. So like I said, very important that we're just going to kind of center this up a little bit. Very important that you leave the white space all the way around. So once you have your text, then we can come over here and add some effects to it. In this case, we're going to add an outline. If you have a specific number, you can also type that in there. So there we go. So now you have two layers. We're going to download this as a PNG file so that we can compress those layers, and then we'll only have one layer. So you leave it as a PNG. Do not hit transparent background. Uncheck the 2 pages and check page 2. Because all we want to do is download this. And like I say, before you do that, it's very important that this white background is around there. And you'll see why in a second. So now that your file is downloaded, you can come over here. A couple ways to do this. You can grab this and send this over to the side of your desktop and you can see it uploaded it for you. The other way we're going to do this is you just add a page, come back up here, and you can drag it right into your new page. So now that you have that, now we can go ahead and remove the background. So I'm going to hit it again so you can see what's removed. See, so if you didn't have that white space all the way around here, it wouldn't remove the white from the text. So that would be very, very frustrating. All right, so now that we have this, it's our mask to go right over the top of our image at the top. So we're going to come up here and we're going to right click and paste it. And I like to paste it so that we can see the eye through there. You have to adjust it a little bit to move things around that make it work for you. All right. Then you can also trim this back and forth to make it work for you. All right, so we have this space down here, space up here that we need to add an element and just put black over the top of that to help mask that. So we're going to come over here, put that in there, and again, make that to be black. We're going to duplicate that and bring the other one down here. So as you can see, we got a little space here. All right. So looks pretty good to me. What we can do though is we're going to add one more effect to this. Is we're going to come in here and we're going to put some red smoke behind the image. In this case, you're going to come over here and you're going to type in red smoke, and I already looked for it, so you can see it's red smoke background. You have graphics, videos, and photos. So in this case, we're going to use photo. Come down here and grab the one that I like and paste it in there. So in order to put that behind it, you come back to position, come behind the German Shepherd, or in this case, any image that you have, and now you can move it up and down. So when you look at this, you make any final adjustments that you're looking for and call it a day. So again, tweaking kind of our nature. All right, so pretty easy, step by step. Any problems, any questions, be sure to put the message down below. If not, have a great day, and we'll hope to see you soon.